Here A and B given. So you are asking transpose. A complement means here transpose. This is nothing but A B to the transpose. How much? As well as B into A transpose. These two questions you ask. So indirectly. So I will explain any one of these two. Try one for it. Complement or dash or transpose. When the transpose will exist, interchanging of rows by columns of that matrix will be existed transpose of its matrix. B transpose means the elements of in B matrix interchange. That is said to be B transpose. B transpose means write row columns in element. So 2 minus 1. This is one row, right, in column. Minus 2 minus 1. 4 2. Minus 1 0. Row will be row elements will be transferred like this. What happened here? A transpose or A complement? Transpose or complement both are same. So here 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3. These are transposes of the previous matrices. Rows columns interchanging by the newly formed matrix of the transpose of the previous matrices. Here both are required. A transpose required, that's why B transpose required, that's why starting only in solution, first step only we will complete that process. Now both are same process. BA means first of all write in B. A. As I am selecting B. So you try yourself, that is one. Okay, now I am starting second one. B into A transpose. First of all write here B. What is B? Given matrix. Minus 2, minus 1, 4, 2, minus 1, 0. This matrix multiply with the matrix of A transpose. A transpose this one. 7 minus 2 minus 1 2 5 3. Observe these two matrices. How one is a column method, one is a row method. So first rows by first check out its order. What is the rule of the order? The matrices will existed. Number of rows, columns, check out order. 3 by 2 matrix order. Here order 2 rows. First rows R by R row columns C. It is order of a matrix. Order of a matrix is equal, then its addition and subtraction possible. But that is also possible for multiplication also. But if it is not a square matrix, in some rare cases of square rectangle matrix also possible. When it is possible? Here. When it is possible? M by N matrix multiply with N by P. So here first matrix columns is equal to second matrix rows are equal. So then the existing matrix answer, A matrix containing M by N. Okay, B matrix contains M by P. Then AB matrix result will exist. What are remaining here? M by P will exist. So this is one of the bit. Okay. In example, P matrix containing 3 by 4. Q matrix containing 4 by 1. What is the order of in PQ? So these two equal. So it's possible. Possible or not possible? That is one type of question. So possible. Possible means the existing matrix 3 rows and only one column. Otherwise PQ, first of all give the P, Q 4 by 1, this one 3 by 4, Q by P, possible or not possible? PQ possible, its result order will exist. QP not possible. This type of questions they will ask in MSET. Okay, come to the point. So here exist 3 2 by 3. Okay, the first 3 by 2, next 2 by 3. Our existing matrix 3 by 3. Okay, possible. If you got the contradiction, this method not possible. Multiplication not possible. This is not possible. Multiplication not possible. Here possible. Here possible. Okay. Here also possible. Okay. Row column 7 into minus 2 into 7. Row column minus 1 into minus 2. If you are writing down, you come to the down only here. Okay, matrix minus 4 7 2 into minus 2, come down. Next minus 1 into 7 plus 0 into minus 2, carefully. Next second, same. This column selected and first column completed. So second column started. So second column right. Third right. Okay, minus 2 minus 1. Next minus 1 2. Next here 4 minus ID. This is minus check once. A transpose B, this is what is B? Plus 4 only, plus 4. Okay, this is the line I done. This is plus 4 only. So check out here 4 only plus B. Okay, 4 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2. Second row completed. Now third. Right, third. Minus 2 into 5. Minus 1 into 3. Next 4 into 5 plus 2 into 3. Last minus 1 into 5 plus 0 into 3. Close. Check here. This order is 3 by 3. This order is 2 by 3. Our answer is 3 by 3. Okay? This process. These two cancel. 3 by 3. This type compulsory. You should be practice compulsory. Otherwise unable to score your marks. Easy chapter. Okay, plus into minus also most important here. Minus 2 naya, check here B. What is minus 2? Okay, minus 2. If any doubt, will check in immediately. Otherwise problematic. Minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, all are minus 2, all are 7s. Minus 1 minus 1, 2 2 2 2, 5 5 5, 3 3 3. Okay, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, 4 4 4, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, proceed now. Otherwise cross check here only start you. Okay. Minus 14 plus 4, both are plus 4 2. 1 2 2. Okay. It's plus kada. B plus here. Observe B plus 4. So 7 4s are 28 minus 4 minus 7 0 multiply, right, minus 2 plus minus 0 plus 0, no problem. Next here minus into minus, plus 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 minus 1 0 last column minus 10. Do column wise, row wise, no problem. Okay, here minus 3 20 plus 6 minus 5 plus 0. Okay, this last solution minus 10 3 26 5 plus 0. So do the step wise according to the marks. 2 marks question complete in 4 steps. Okay, don't waste your time. Write any method here. Do perfect. 0 0 minus 1. Okay, both are minus. Add and give the same sign. Both are positive. So minus 5. This is second solution. What is this one? B. What is selected? Second one. No, this is second one. Computing second one. This is for you. Practice this one for HW. Okay, this is select for you. Okay, you write, try yourself this one. This is B A transpose. I completed second one. Okay, first one also try the same process. What is first one? This is first one. First you write A B transpose. First write A matrix. A matrix is column wise. B matrix is row wise. So check like this. Okay, continue. Try yourself. Best of luck. Important. Multiplication, det important. Addition, subtraction, you know very well. All these things. This is TA, Telugu Academy 80. Telugu Academy 80. Okay. 1A. 9/11/21. Bye.